camshaft bearing noise. Now listen carefully. This is called camshaft bearing noise. To rectify this problem, open the cylinder head cover and remove the camshaft. Inspect the camshaft bearing by rotating it and feeling its roughness when rotating. Also, inspect the axial float of the bearings. Pitted bearing tracks and excessive axial float cause the bearing noise and bearing breakage. Replace the defective bearings. Inspect the camshaft bearing seat in the head and head cover. If found damaged, replace the head and head cover together. Remember, in the Pulsar, the head and head cover come as a pair and cannot be serviced separately. The pair has a unique identification mark that is casted or stamped on the body as shown.